Alright, so you see this. This is my hand after shaving. The point of today's video is to not to let you make the mistakes I have made which led to this. Okay, so shaving. I have done many mistakes. If you see my shower routines. What was that? Did you hear it? Anyway, moving on. So if you watch my shower routines, I have been doing few things wrong, and there are a few other wrong things I have done before that led me pain, bumps, irritation. Okay, so the 5 things you should avoid while shaving your skin. The number one point is, I think I shouldn't even say this, it is so obvious, but I have done it because I was in a hurry and I needed my skin to look hairless. To that extent, I shaved my dry skin. I don't know, joke's on me, I'm the idiot. I'm the only idiot. Have you not done it like ever? Like, I'm the only one who did it. It was painful, I remember I was going out somewhere and I wanted my hands to look hairless, and I shaved my dry skin. Dry skin. Dry skin like a morubhumi. So I had bad time. Entire day I was like feeling this itching thing going on over here. But I came back at night, my hands were full of bumps. And oh god, it was painful, it was itchy, it was looking bad, and it took some time for it to get back to normal. It was a painful time. So never shave your dry skin. Just get in the shower, take some time, massage your shower gel or oil, aloe vera, whatever it is, soften your skin. This is the mantra, soften your skin. So this is a mistake I have done. So yeah, never ever shave your dry skin. No matter how badly you want to look hairless, in no time, shaving takes some time. Give yourself the time, give your skin the time, please. Number 2, another mistake. That day I went out. It was a sunny day, it was a bright day, it was a beautiful day, but my skin was already like at a vulnerable state because I shaved my skin, dry skin, and I didn't put SPF. Entire day I was out in the sun. Do I need to say more? So shaving is kind of exfoliation, so your skin is already vulnerable to sun rays, and if you don't apply SPF and you go out, like as soon as you shaved your skin, basking in the sun in a bright beautiful day, your skin's gonna like it. You're gonna get sunburn, your skin's gonna get irritated, it's gonna get red. So don't do it. I'd recommend you to shave at night. This is what I do these days. I shave before I go to sleep. Actually, doesn't make any sense, right? Let me explain it to you. I take shower before I go to sleep at night because it makes me feel relaxed. So when I take shower, I shave. And by doing that, my skin is getting entire night of rest. So this is very important. So I recommend you to shave at night, but if you catch cold by taking shower at night, then don't do it. Do it in the daytime, but wear maybe full sleeve things or SPF must, or try to avoid direct sunlight for some time. Don't just shave and expose your skin to sun. That's what I'm pointing at. So number 3, you might have noticed it in my shower routine. So what I did, I scrubbed my skin after shaving. It was a good idea for some time because my skin feels soft, and I read somewhere if you scrub after shaving, you'd have less chances of ingrowth or ingrown hair. But while you are shaving your skin, it's an kind of act of exfoliation. Then you're going in with physical scrubs, you're over exfoliating your skin. So I don't think it's a good idea now that I think of it. And some very good people pointed that out in the comment section. Thanks to you for telling me this. And I thought and I researched, it was not a good idea. So what I do, I exfoliate before shaving. Even by doing that, even I think I'm over exfoliating, because shaving is an act of exfoliation. But I think after shaving our skin gets more vulnerable, so it's okay to exfoliate before shaving. If you're doing it after shaving, your skin might get more irritated, because shaving can make your skin vulnerable, if that makes any sense. So my point is, exfoliate before shaving, as simple as that. And for KP and everything, those bumpy skin, I have been using chemical exfoliants twice in a week on my feet, on my hands. Those things are working, so I don't need to use physical scrubs like aggressively. I don't need that. So yeah, number 3. And let me know your thoughts, because this is a very tricky situation, because I have noticed and have read many people like to scrub after shaving. Even I did that. My skin felt softer, and to be very frank, I didn't have any irritation from it. But still, I thought, like, when some of you have pointed that out, I looked into it, I read more about it, and I thought it is not a good idea. But what do you think? What do you think? So yeah, number 4. Even this is kind of like tricky. So do you shave like this? Because I'm so bad at explaining. Okay, so see, my hair grows in this direction, alright. So I shave in the opposite direction. This is what works for me, and I read that it gives you close shaving, the close, very clean shave look, and it didn't irritate my skin. But there are people who shave like this in the direction of their hair growth. I think this one is better, opposite direction, because I tried this. It doesn't give me that very sleek shave look. So I think shave like this. Not I think, I'm going to recommend to shave in the opposite direction, but I'm open for the discussion, like what do you do? This works for me, this don't work for me. And of course, moisturize after shaving, and your skin needs some love, some extra love, do that. Number 5, do not be miser with your razor. You hear me? Do not be miser. I change the blade after 5 or 6 usage, and you can consider epilator as well. That's very... Tomorrow is Mohalaya, so people are happy, so there are many cars going here and there, and in the morning few people are having picnic in the morning over there. So today is not Mohalaya, still people are having picnic. Maybe tomorrow they're gonna have picnic. I'm not gonna have picnic because I'm boring. I don't like picnics. So yeah, but I enjoy their music. They were playing some old Bollywood film ka songs, something from this. मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, kind of a song. Those things brought nostalgia to me. So I'm now diverting from the topic. Change your blade, and you can consider using epilator. I bought one epilator. It hurts. So it's gonna take me some time to get used to that, but it hurts a lot. Do you have any, do you use epilator, or you have any tips for a painless epilating experience? If you have, let me know, because it hurts a lot. So yeah, change your razor. You also can consider waxing, then epilator, sugaring. Sugaring is a very interesting idea. Should I make a video on it? Maybe I should. So yeah, these were my tips. I hope you don't commit any shaving mistakes, and give me your tips. Share with this community. Let people know what to do, what not to do, because it hurts when shaving goes wrong. It's painful, bumpy, red, and itchy, so we don't want that, right? So share your tips. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon tomorrow. Bye bye. But now I'm noticing I have placed this camera in a very weird angle. Why? Honorable is not at home. He went somewhere for work and I'm at home, so when he is there he helps me out with the... Do you hear this? This is for Mahalaya. People are so excited, they started this bombing and all. I mean crackers. So yeah, Honorable is not at home and I'm at home, so yeah. I set this camera in a weird angle. So am I talking a lot today? Yes, I am, because I'm a little bit sad, and when I'm sad I talk a lot. I mean, I can talk, right? If you have time. I hope you're not getting annoyed, or you have the option to like stop the video, so it's okay. I can talk, I think. And how are you? I'm good. Most of the days I'm good. Few days I'm not good. I think that's alright. I put on makeup, that's why, because I was not feeling good. Okay, it's getting weird now. I hope we meet someday, over a cup of coffee or tea, whatever you like. I mean, I never met you. I met one of you. It was a wonderful experience. Wonderful. I hope she is doing alright. And yeah, I want to meet all of you. Like, just say hello. I want to see you like face to face. Like, talk maybe. And I want to thank you for being there. So maybe someday. And I don't know if someone lives in Jalpaiguri. If you're from Jalpaiguri, Siliguri, then let me know. I am like, Siliguri is just 1 hour away from Jalpaiguri. Darjeeling is 3 hours away, 3 or 4 hours. Then we have Coach Bihar here. Then Malda is far. Malda is like 6 hours. So I stay in West Bengal. I had been to many places. Because of my father's job, I changed 6 schools. I was in Kolkata, I was in Gangalampur, then I was in Malda, now I'm here. Yeah, I was in Siliguri for some time for some work. So yeah, you keep on asking me about do question and answer video. Maybe I'll do it someday, maybe I will. So yeah, that's all for now. See you very soon. Bye bye.